Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm back again with another video tutorial, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can customize your iPhone home screen. So you can customize the app icons, the home screen as well, the widgets and stuff. To begin with, what we need to do is, first of all, let me tell you this: you don't need any third-party applications. All you need to do is download some cool icons from the internet. To do that, simply go to the Google, search for app icons that you want to customize. For me, I've downloaded app icon for Instagram, Snapchat, and similar applications just like this. So here you can see I just simply Googled Instagram icon PNG. Just remember you download it in PNG format. So yeah, once you've done that, then we are ready to go. So to begin with, what you need to do is open the shortcut application. Open the shortcut application. You can find it on your iPhone. It comes with it because it's by Apple, so it's already there on your phone. If it's missing, you can go to App Store and download it. Once you click on the shortcut application, you'll find a bunch of options just like this shown on my screen. So what we are interested in is on the top right corner, you would see an aid icon or a plus icon. What you need to do is click on that. You'll see these options. There would be aid action, open message, open app, and similarly more options depending on the way you use your phone. So what we are interested in is opening app. So here what we are doing is basically we are creating a shortcut, and for that shortcut we are customizing the icon for the app. So I'll click on open app. Once I click that, now all I need to do is select an application for which I want to create a shortcut for. So in this case, I'm gonna go with Instagram. So once I click on Instagram, so as you can see, open Instagram will show up here. Now on the top, I'm gonna need to write the name for the shortcut. So in this case, I'll write the name Instagram there. So once I write the name, on next to the name, you'll see a toggle for settings, a blue icon, just like shown on the screen. Click on that, and now this window will pop up. Now here, what you need to do is click Aid to Screen. Once you click on Aid to Screen, there will be an option of Preview. Click on the Preview, and you'll get a bunch of options like this. So what we're interested in, choose a photo. We can click on Choose a Photo, and it'll take us to our gallery. And as you remember, we've downloaded some of the PNG icons from the internet. So what we need to do is select the icon for Instagram. If you want to do some cropping and stuff, some scaling and stuff, we can do it right here. So once that's done, what we need to do is click on add. And if you go to a home screen, you'll find that icon there. And for the other icon that already exists on the home screen, what we got to do is long press it, go to remove, and then click on remove from home screen. So this way you have Instagram with a new icon on your home screen. You can do the similar process for the other applications too and customize the icon and achieve a result just like this shown on my screen. I hope you found this video helpful, and if it did, please drop a like, ask any question if you have in the comment section. I'll love to answer those. Subscribe for more videos just like this one, and see you in the next one. Peace.